One more payment, you're all mine.
Hi, Daddy. I saw you pushing the car. Doesn't it work?
Well, sure it does, honey. It was just such a nice day, I didn't want to waste it sitting in the car. Like all those other jerks on the expressway. Of course it doesn't work. Kids, I have a little family announcement to make, but since I don't have an actual family, I'll say it to you. I have decided that it's time for me to buy a new car.
Oh, that's right, Dad.
I want a Cadillac.
I want a Ferrari.
I want a Porsche.
Your wishes mean nothing to me. It's going to be my car, and I'll decide what I'm getting.
Yeah, just don't get another weenie mobile.
If I want a weenie mobile, I'll buy a weenie mobile. At least it'll be a new weenie mobile. A new car, at last. Anything I've ever owned has been used. My car, my house, my